Before you start your XAS compressor, don't forget to observe safe working practices and follow all local work safety requirements and regulations. That also means wearing the necessary personal protective equipment. First, open an air outlet valve. Don't connect a hose yet. Open the hard hat canopy of the XAS 88 and locate the main switch at the back of the control panel. Switch it to on. Close the hood of the unit again. Now direct your attention to the controller of the mobile compressor. Press the power button to start up the control module. Then press the green button to start the engine of the unit. Gently close the air outlet valve. Let the engine warm up for 3 minutes. In the meantime, you can prepare your hose and tool. First, unroll your hose. Then, connect the tool to the hose. Remember to always secure every connection with a whip check as a safety precaution. After warming up, you can connect the air hose to the compressor. Now, open the air outlet valve, and your mobile compressor is ready for action.